Tito Jeff here, Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines, at my little house in Mejia subdivision. And here we have a mango tree. We have that's my cuckoo bird right there. That's what the video is supposed to be about. You can't see him, but he likes to sit in that tree and make that little noise. Sounds of the neighborhood, dogs barking, roosters crowing, and my cuckoo bird. Now, the cuckoo bird lives on, from what I understand, nests on the ground. And I think he nests over here in this lot. And I don't know what these plants are, but I've seen him fly down into this lot from the tree. This is a moringa tree, mulungai, and Marcel likes to cook with those leaves. I haven't tasted it yet, but we'll learn more about that. I don't see him. Maybe I can find him for you. I don't scare him away. I see him. I can see him, but you can't see him in this video. He's up at the very top of the tree. You might see him moving around now. He's about the size of a crow, I think. All right. Tito Jeff with his cuckoo bird. Let's go over here and see if we can catch the roosters crowing. There's a little rooster farm, game farm. No, they're not crowing. They were crowing like crazy earlier. Okay. Lots of nice birds here. I love to listen to the birds in the morning, sit out here on the terrace. Okay, Tito Jeff, another little video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll be making lots of videos about my life here in the Philippines in Ormoc City, Leyte. Tito Jeff, goodbye.